Hey everybody, thanks for tuning in for this week's video. Before we start the video, I did want to start off with just a couple minutes of just conveying my condolences to the family of John up at University of North Dakota. I'd learned this morning that there had been an accident up at UND, and obviously having a daughter that's going there, made sure to phone her to see kind of what was going on. Understand there was a student on a night solo. Just a tragic incident that just happened. So, I consider UND family. To me, I care about each and every one of you up there. Obviously, having a daughter that goes up to there, I am very close with UND and their alumni. I think the biggest thing I offer is my prayers and my thoughts, and just a bit of advice just to come together as a group. Aviation is a small world. It's a very special world. You guys are a team together, and you're stronger together. With something like this, this is something where you have to come together. So watch out for each other, check up on each other, see how everybody's doing. Again, I am absolutely heartbroken. So, to y'all up there at UND, my heart's with you. Stay strong, and make sure you rally around and take care of each other and watch out for each other. All right, guys, here we are in the airplane. We're getting ready to roll out. We're going to NBAA, which is National Business Aviation Association. They have a conference once a year. This is going to be my first time going to it. It's a bit bright. And yeah, so we're going to check it out. We're going to go ahead and see my buddy Jamie, who is the owner of Paradise Jets down there. He's going to give us a tour and kind of check out some new airplanes and kind of get a vibe of what it's about. We are going to be doing some stuff in the future that's going to be involved with private jets. Dispel all the rumors. Most likely I'm not going to own one, but anyways, yeah, that's what we're doing today. So typical kind of stuff, right? I forgot some stuff, which means I forgot my plug-in to get the ATC comm, but I went back and I grabbed it. Just for you guys, because I know that would have been unacceptable. So yeah, went back, grabbed it. So I am running a little bit late, so this is kind of what happens, right? This is where a lot of GA people get in a lot of trouble, because you rush and you're late and you skip things, you skip checklists. And the airlines were taught to slow it down, wind your watch, as they used to say, the old timers used to say. Nothing is that important. So safety is utmost important, paramount. So I'm just going to take my time, and when I get there, I get there. I've already let Jamie know that I'm running a little bit behind. It is what it is. So let's get this airplane started and head down the road.
Get it that I'm never going back. Going up, going up, going up, going up, going up, going up. Get it that I'm never going up, going up, going up, going up, going up.
All right, guys, welcome aboard. Again, running a little behind. That's okay. We're going to take our time and then roll on out of here. So we just finished up our pre-departure checklist, and we are ready to go.
No, thank you. RSM 541. We're going to be departing to the west.
Scottsdale Tower, Cirrus 51, Foxtrot Mike, holding short 21, ready for departure, northwest departure.
Cirrus 51, Foxtrot Mike, South Tower, fly straight out to advise, runway 21, clear for takeoff.
Straight out to advise, clear for takeoff 21, Cirrus 51, Foxtrot Mike.
Cirrus 6, takeoff. You don't need to keep your speed up anymore. Thank you. Citation behind you. Spacing is fine.
Roger.
Tower 866, Charlie Bravo's with you, visual 21.
Station 866, Charlie Bravo's, cast 10 to right base, runway 21. You're following a Cirrus, turning a 1 mile final, clear to land.
Clear to land 21, following the Cirrus 866, Charlie Bravo.
Scottsdale Tower, Cirrus 519, Lima Hotel, 8 miles southwest with hotel full stop.
519 Lima Telescastle Tower. Enter a right downwind, runway 21.
Right downwind 21, 519 Lima Hotel.
Aviator 95, following a citation 6 miles north on the straight in.
Aviator 95, looking for traffic.
All right, nice zip up in the air. 90 knots. 5-minute flaps coming up.
Traffic, 6 o'clock.
And the clearance was straight out to advise, so we'll
Traffic,
just
11
fly straight
o'clock,
up.
600.
Caps available.
Mike, right turn north
Traffic,
approved.
7 o'clock.
Right turn approved. 1 Foxtrot Mike.
Traffic,
SM
6
541,
o'clock.
frequency change approved.
Traffic everywhere.
Aviator 95, traffic site. Have a good day.
SM 541,
Traffic, 6 o'clock.
Aviator 95, follow citation, crossway turbulence, runway 21, clear touch and go.
Aviator 95, clear touch and go, runway 21.
Beautiful morning.
Scottsdale Tower.
Again, I tried to get out here a little bit earlier.
For close traffic.
Worked out, but that's okay.
Short runway 21.
Ultra 2180 Quebec.
We're cleared up to 5,500. Keeps us clear of the Class B. And Deer Valley's control is up to 4,000 feet, so we do not need to talk to them. I want to go straight to Phoenix Approach, and we're going to ask for flight following. Hopefully it's not too busy this morning. What is it, Thursday morning?
729,
Not too busy, hopefully.
I'm maintain 8,000,
All right, we're above 4,000 feet. I can turn direct. We're going to North Las Vegas because Henderson, go figure, is a little packed right now. Phoenix Approach, good morning. Cirrus 51, Foxtrot Mike.
November 51, Foxtrot Mike, go ahead.
Yeah, good morning. Just off Scottsdale at 4,600, climbing to 6,500. Request flight following to North Las Vegas.
And what type aircraft?
Cirrus SR-22.
6,500, your requested final?
You know what? Let's make it 8,500. 1 Foxtrot Mike.
November 51, Foxtrot Mike. Roger. Phoenix altimeter 3002. Squawk 2604. Ident.
All right, 2604.
Navigation, Empire 775.
November 51, Foxtrot Mike. What's your general route of flight going to be today?
We're going to go direct. 1 Foxtrot Mike.
November 51, Foxtrot Mike. Radar contact Deer Valley Airport. 3 miles to the northeast. Altitude indicates 5,000. And on course there, you cleared through the Bravo airspace. Climb up to 6,500, or 6,000 for now, please.
Okay, we're cleared in the Class Bravo up to 6,000. 1 Foxtrot Mike. Thank you. All right, cleared up to 6,000. And I was thinking that if we could get away, once we get past the mountains, we get back down to 6,500, the winds are a lot more favorable down there by quite a bit, at least the forecast winds. They are always, yeah, I mean, you never know. The winds are always kind of a guess. So we'll see. We'll just climb up, get up to 6,500 eventually. And if we can, if the winds aren't too bad at 8,500, we'll stay there. If not, we'll go down to 6,500, kind of like in the airlines. But on the way back, hopefully the winds are staying about the same, which most likely, who knows. It's going to be a good tailwind on the way back, so we'll make some good time on the way back. As it is right now, it's going to take us an hour and 18 minutes to get to Vegas. And yeah, that's...
November 51, Foxtrot Mike, on maintain 7,000.
I maintain 7,000, 1 Foxtrot Mike. 7,000. I'm excited. First time to NBAA. I hear it's amazing. And
2729, climb maintain 10.
I want to check it out.
Alright, 10,000, we're back forward. Sorry about
All right, we're going to put this into cross-country mode. Get a little more laid back, shoulders back. One thing about these seats, they are super comfortable. I do have to say that, but when it's in this...
Number 1 Foxtrot Mike, contact Phoenix Approach 133.57.
3357, 1 Foxtrot Mike today.
Phoenix departure, Challenger 50 Alpha Golf.
33, a 5, and a 7. So anyways, the seats, once they're fully up, I kind of feel like my shoulders are forward and you're kind of flying like this, right? You lean back, but I don't feel comfortable landing like this, so hence my takeoff and landing configuration and my cruise configuration. A little chilly.
Alright, switch crew with a 70.
Yeah, driving here today, this is the best time in Arizona. If you're coming to Arizona, definitely come around the late October. November is perfect. It was 58 degrees when I was driving to the airport. Again, like I told you, I had to turn around and go back home because I needed the little comm cord so you guys can hear this. Hopefully it's plugged in correctly and you guys can hear this. All right. But yeah, drove back, came back, but man, totally beautiful this morning. This is the time to be in Arizona. Hiking season's come upon us. Start doing some hiking, but just a gorgeous time. Right now, pretty good. We only have a 6-knot headwind, so just looking at our route of flight. Highest terrain right now is about 6,500. So we should be clearing that. Typically, if it's windy, it is going to get pretty bumpy around the mountain. So if it gets uncomfortable, we'll climb.
Number 1 Foxtrot Mike, climbed your requested altitude.
1 Foxtrot Mike, thank you. All right, guys. Just flew over Henderson. It looks pretty awesome.
To the left and 190.
I get a picture of that. Bring my seat up to the full and uncomfortable position. Looks like it's a big event. Hey, I'm sorry, it's my first time. I don't know. Anyways, we got information uniform down there at North Las Vegas. We're being vectored in right now with Las Vegas approach. It is a beautiful day out. Vegas looks amazing as always. Beautiful Las Vegas, Nevada. But yeah. So Jamie, I am running late. I'm like half an hour late. So Jamie, I'm sorry. Fuel swapperoo. Let's run a descent check. Oxygen is NAA. Altimeters are set. Cabin heat defrost is set. Landing lights coming on. Power as required. So we're being stepped down by approach right now. So not a big rapid descent. Brakes are checked. We're up to approach check. So I'll just run the first couple items. Belts, harnesses are on and secure. Fuel boost pump.
November 1 Foxtrot Mike, maintain outer boat 3,500 until entering the North Las Vegas class Delta.
Okay, 3,500 for Cirrus 1 Foxtrot Mike.
November 1 Foxtrot Mike, traffic will be 1 o'clock, 5 miles southwestbound. Climbing at a 5,000 for higher is Cirrus.
All right, looking 1 Foxtrot Mike. All right, yeah, you might have forgot about us. We have the scenario at the company as well at Southwest. And, you know, when you're driving right towards terrain, they tend to forget, and then we have to do the escape maneuver. So, hey, it works here too. All right, I got him on TCAS. He's about 100 feet above. I'm going to start my descent a little bit more. The traffic is high at 1 Foxtrot Mike. Got traffic high.
Over 1 Foxtrot Mike, Roger. Again, maintain out about 3,500 to enter the North Las Vegas class Delta. Contact North Las Vegas Tower 125.7.
All right, 3,500 and 125.7. 1 Foxtrot
1
Mike.
mile.
I'm sorry, November 1 Foxtrot Mike, resume navigation.
On navigation, 1 Foxtrot Mike. All right, we're going to turn off the autopilot. North Las Vegas, Cirrus 5-1 Foxtrot Mike, 8 miles to the west, inbound full stop with uniform.
November 5-1 Foxtrot Mike, North Las Vegas Tower into left base, runway 30 left.
Left base 20 left, 1 Foxtrot Mike.
1 Foxtrot Mike, it'll be runway 30 left.
I'm sorry, 30 left, left base, 1 Foxtrot Mike. All right, left base, 30 left.
Helicopter 1 Charlie, with traffic going around on runway 30 left, Cessna.
It sounds a little,
okay, we'll take
busy.
turn 96 1 Charlie.
All right, Tip, North 3 Lima going around.
We're definitely
a lot of people going around.
12 o'clock, 2 mile,
So that'd be interesting.
helicopter northwest on 2,700.
All right, the clearance was 3,500 until we got to Class Bravo of North Las Vegas. And we are about entering, we're 4,400.
Mike, runway 30 left, clear to land, traffic departing prior to arrival.
Clear to land 30 left, 1 Foxtrot Mike. All right, we're clear to
Mike,
land.
Foxtrot runway 30 left, clear for takeoff, left turn approved, wind variable at 4.
Okay,
One of the things I take back from the airline when I'm flying the 7-3 that I put in here is landing clearance and all that stuff. So
Affirmative, right turn.
my landing light's on, but when I get the clearance to land, I turn the NICE, the ice light on the wings on. That way if I go, I can't remember if I got cleared. Well, I looked down and I did. All right, we're inside the class Bravo, and we're cleared all the way down. We're on the visual. So we got flaps and autopilot to go. Autopilot is off, just flaps to go now. We're coming in hot. Coming in hot. All right, below 150 knots. Flaps coming to 50%.
Altitude.
November 4 Mike Foxtrot, contact Las Vegas departure.
4 Mike Foxtrot, have a great day.
Picture clean. There's one guy off on the other side doing, looks like approaches. A little bit of a crosswind down there, so getting lined up here. Ooh, it's a little flat. All right, flaps coming up on the brakes. We'll exit Charlie. Hey, Vegas Unicom, 1 Foxtrot Mike. We're here for a few hours. All right, guys, I guess we're here. Wasn't sure where to park, but...
Park, but we're gonna park right here. The guy says we're good, cool in the gang right here, so that's it. We're gonna hop out. Jamie is just up on the top there on the observation deck. I feel super bad of keeping him waiting, so I'm gonna jump out and we're gonna go hit it. All right. All right, guys, we are done. Just did a pre-flight on the Green Hornet. We are on our way back to Scottsdale. So it was cool, man. Wow, that's a pretty big convention. Although I hear that just due to the pandemic, it's not as big as what it usually is. But it was cool. Got to meet a lot of cool people. A lot of vendors out there, like so many I couldn't even get to all of them. I actually didn't even make it out to Henderson to go see the airplane displays out there, all the new jets and all that. But I did see the Honda Jet mock-up, the new one. It's pretty awesome. But anyways, we're gonna get out of here. It is 4:30. Should take us about a little over an hour to get back. Some pretty good winds there. The only thing is negotiating the Las Vegas Class B to get out of here. Yeah, doing that, but doesn't seem too busy, so we'll see. Let's go.
Alright guys, we are in our descent for Scottsdale currently, just 31 miles away. That's some really good speed on the way over here. Currently we're doing 240 knots over the ground, so about pretty fast.
Okay, down to 6,000, Lear Waka Delta.
Put on the oxygen, we went up to 17,500. Really good tailwind, almost 50 knots. So we did this run in, man, under an hour, so... It's always good, maybe under an hour, but like 55 minutes or something like that. But that's all good. We'll take it. Scottsdale Tower, Cirrus 5-1, Foxtrot Mike. We're about 12 miles to the north, inbound full stop with Quebec.
Cirrus 5-1, Foxtrot Mike. Scottsdale Tower, and right base, runway 21.
Right base 2-1, Foxtrot Mike. Gorgeous out here. Just too many snakes. For you, Worley. Oh, finally. Finally a good one.
Cirrus 1, Foxtrot Mike, say taxi request.
Going to Sierra Charlie hangar.
Cirrus 1, Foxtrot Mike, turn right, your excursion, takes Kilo V Alpha, monitor ground, good day.
Good day, 1 Foxtrot Mike. All right, guys, well, hey, thanks for joining. Thanks for coming. That was pretty quick. It was really cool heading out there and doing that NBAA. Definitely, like I said, going to the next one. It's cool, awesome. You know, flying the Cirrus down there is so quick. But anyways, hey, if you liked it, you know what to do. Thumbs up and all that good stuff. I appreciate you guys. We'll talk to you later.